Good evening everyone, my name is Naifan Jius and today I will be talking about the transformations in geometrics. There will be three topics I will be explaining. The first one being rotations. There are two types of rotation. The first one is center 0, 0. The formula is divided by 2. The first one will being image x equals x cos A minus y sin B. As for y is similar but the sin and cos swap places. Now for the second one, it will be center A and B. Similar to the first one, there are two formulas. First one being image x equals x minus A cos delta minus y minus B sin delta. In the end, it will be plus A. As for the image y, similar to the first one, except sin and cos also swap places. In the center, it will be plus instead of minus, and in the end, it will be plus B. Now let's move on to the examples. Point minus 3, 8 is rotating 90 degrees with the center minus 6 and 3. For this one, we'll be using the second formula to discover the image. So first up, image x. Image x, we use this formula. X and y is minus 3 and 8, and a and b is minus 6 and 3. So it will be minus 3 minus negative 6 cos 90 degrees minus 8 minus 3 sin 90 degrees. In the end, it will be minus 6. So first half we will be doing this part first. So minus this here will be equal to 3 and minus this will also equal to 5. So cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. But sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. So this will be 3 multiplied by 0 minus 5 multiplied by 1. So it will be 0 minus 5. And also 2. Don't forget minus 6. So after minus 6 it will be minus 5 minus 6. And the answer will be minus 11. So that is image x. For image y, instead of putting the formula again, let's just use the previous one, except swap the 0 and 1 and changing the center to plus and changing the last part to plus b. So it will be 3 multiplied by 1 plus 5 multiplied by 0 plus 3. So the answer will be 3 plus 0 plus 3. And in the end, it will be 3 plus 3 equals 9. Alright, so that is rotation. Now let's move on to dilation. Dilation, same like rotation, there are two different types. The first one being center 0, 0 with scale. And the second one will be center A and B with scale. The first one, the formula is image x and y equals to scale x and scale y, meaning the scale will be multiplied into x and y. As for the second one, the formula for it is image x and y equal to k x minus a plus a and k y minus b plus b. Now let's move on to this example. So 0.7 minus 12 is dilated with scale of 3 with the center 2 minus 1. So for this, we will be using the second formula to discover the images. So image x and y, we will substitute the question to the formula. So k being 3, x and y being 7 minus 12, and a and b being 2 and minus 1. So first we will be doing this part first. So 7 minus 2 will be 5, and minus 12 minus negative 1 it will be minus 11. So in the end it will be 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2 and 3 multiplied by minus 11 minus 1. And after we multiply it, it will be 15 plus 2 and negative 33 minus 1. And the answer for the images will be 17 and minus 34. So that is dilation. As for the final one, we will be talking about translation. As for translation, there is actually one type, which is this one. For the formula is image x and y equal to xy plus a and b. So let's just move on to examples. So the example is 0.5 minus 2 is translation with a vector. Now this is different. This is a vector of -3 and 1. So for those who wondering what is vector, is actually the a and b. So x and y is 5 and -2, and for the a and b is -3 and 1. So we substitute into the formula. It will be 5 minus 2 plus minus 3. Sorry. Okay, let me repeat. 5 minus 2 plus minus 3 and 1. And that's what it will be 2 and minus 1. That is all for everything. I hope this will be useful, and thank you all for watching.